What's up guys? Another day, another workout na naman tayo guys. So, yung workout natin is a chest day. Pero bago tayo mag-workout, kailangan mag-stretching muna tayo. Yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung stretching. Kalimutan nyo na lang yung JF ninyo, pero wag yung yung stretching kapag nagbuhat na kayo. So, let's go. So what's up guys? Tapos na tayo ng stretching. So gawin na lang natin yung first workout natin sa chest. So let's go, pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Ito po yung yung first workout natin, tapos drop set tayo guys, drop set. Ito. Incline press or incline bench press po. Ito yung ito yung setup natin. So let's go. So tapos na tayo mag first workout natin. Tapos na tayo sa incline bench press. So ngayon ang gagawin natin is second workout is bench press lang talaga. To. Yun. Yung flat lang siya, flat lang. Kanina isa parang incline, ganito yun. So ngayon gagawin natin dito, yung flat. Let's go. So tapos na tayo mag second workout. So ngayon ang gagawin natin is third workout na tayo. Ito yung third workout natin. Yan. Ito yung third workout natin is decline bench press. So top set tayo. Pakita ko na lang sa iyo yung paano gawin. Pero ito yung natin, yung third workout natin, third. So let's go. So kakatapos lang natin mag third workout. So gagawin natin is fourth workout na naman tayo guys. So gagawin natin is incline dumbbell press. So let's go.
Di ko to magagawa. Sabi pa nga, wala akong mapapala. Di tumigil lang magsigap kahit pa na sobrang hirap. Magaling ko sa tuga, kung kailan lang kape ng ulam. Ang ulam akala nila di ko maabot. Nagbakasakal, nilang namang makalusot. Magbabalat kayo, ng iba'y panatiliin mo pag-ibig ang yung utak. Magus magtalin ka ng buong pag-ibig. Noong paminsan-minsan ay bumubulong sa hangin. Ang mga tanong baka sakaling matagpuan. It's so cold.
feel like I could break now, but I never get it. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back. Yeah, I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forget those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now.
We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser. Got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal. Haters gonna hate, but I keep my head high. Eyes on the prize, reaching for the sky. No pain, no gain. It's the anthem of the streets. With the heart of a lion, we will never face the
Tapos na tayo mag-workout ng chest. So, tingnan natin kung yung chest natin is nagpa-pump. Yung chest natin is pump na pump.